Always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a big mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter. Take it from me. Up on the shore, they work all day, out in the sun.
This is the spiny dog shark, and our part was on the digestive system. And right now you can see the mouth of the shark, and this is where the prey enters, well, or it gets captured, I guess. And this is the beginning of the digestive system, and we have more to come. This is the ventral side of the shark, and once you open it, you can see the liver. And the liver has two parts of it. It has a right lobe and a left lobe. And in between the two lobes is the gallbladder. And the liver also contains oil for the shark. The oil is used for the shark's buoyancy and keeps it floating in the water.
What we're showing you here is the small intestines. Now we're showing you the spleen. Above the spleen is a J-shaped stomach. Now that it's open, we're showing you all of the insides, like the kidney and the small intestines. You can get a better look. Now that's the heart, and the rectal gland, and the colon.
And whenever you open the stomach of the shark, inside of it you will see a bunch of lines, and those lines right there are the rugae of the shark. And in it you can see where the food is stored. And the shark also eats fish and other sharks. And that's where the food is stored. And while we were dissecting the shark, we found some fish and learned a very important lesson. And that lesson is...
Right then, the meeting has officially come to order. Let us all say the pledge. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. If I am to change this image, I must first change myself. Fish are friends, not...
So here we learned that fish are friends, and they are not fish. So here we have a closer look at the inside of the shark. This is a closer look of the colon and the rectal gland, and the rectal gland is just above the colon inside the shark. So here we are opening the spiral valve, and the spiral valve is a screw-like symmetrical shape within the valvular intestine. It adds surface area for digestion and absorption to an otherwise relatively short intestine. So next we will see the cloaca, and that is the last part of the digestive system, and it collects the waste of the shark.
So here's one last look at the inside of the shark and all the parts that make up its digestive system. And it's really kind of cool after getting to learn about all this and about this shark.
This is the shark's brain, and even though it doesn't look that big, it has the largest brain of all the fish in the sea. And it also has a very hard head because it was hard to get into. But we finally got it open.
So we learned a lot of things dissecting this shark, and Josh taught us a couple things, like what not to do with the liver. Thanks, Josh!